Hello and welcome to A Very Bad Idea.
So Austin is using this really interesting contraption for this video that involves this backpack that you may have seen from Mystery Tech, but that's not even the best part about this because it has a pole sticking out of it that has a GoPro attached to it, and the GoPro is attached to a drone racing headset.
So while I'm building this PC, the only thing I can see is what the GoPro sees, which is what you're about to see.
All right, and here we go. Try not to vomit.
Oh God. What the? Wow, that's crazy, dude. Now, as you might imagine, from a shoulder-mounted GoPro, if you're prone to dizziness, you may want to be a little bit careful. This video, especially with me in the headset, but especially when it comes to you watching the video back, is a little bit shaky at times. So, just a fair warning, if you're prone to dizziness, you may want to skip this one.
Do you want to get used to it by maybe...
No, I'm gonna go straight for it. Okay, so I am grabbing the first box, picking up the first box. This is freaking ridiculous. Wow, oh God. My sense of perspective is so far off.
The rules are very simple. Our wonderful sponsor, Micro Center, has graciously provided a number of parts for the build.
We have a Ryzen 5, I can see this, 3600, right? Ryzen 5 3600.
And all I need to do is get it together and get it to post. I don't need to install Windows in third person since I would be here all day and so would you. But if I can actually get this computer to post and all of the components to show up, I will consider that to be a victory.
Okay, let me just try to open a box first. Can I actually open a box? Oh, I need a knife. Do you trust me with a knife?
I have this morbid curiosity to see how you do. Oh no. Oh God.
Look at that.
Oh, okay.
No problem. I'm gonna open up a bunch of boxes now that I'm here and I'm armed. Oh, wait.
Austin looks like the serial killer I've ever seen.
Wait, I need my case. So this is a fractal case of some kind. I can't actually read it from here. Oh, ow. This is the Define S2. Okay. Oh no, don't hit the camera, don't hit the camera. Okay. Oh, oops. Well, that's just never gonna be found. So, what is that? Is that for the, oh, that's for this. Can you give me a screwdriver?
You can get it.
You can't give me a screwdriver?
No, there's one in the table. I feel like I have to help this old man cross the street.
Okay, that's a camera.
Yeah, that is very much a camera. Oh, it's in the This Is set.
Cool, glad all my tools are very well prepared.
Okay, let's be clear here. I did not hide the screwdriver. He took it from the set and brought it over to the This Is side of the room. That's not my fault. I'm not even gonna say it's Matt's fault. That's just Austin forgetting where he put his stuff. He needs to put stuff back where they belong. Boy can trip for all I care.
Oh, what the These all look the same! These all look the same! No! So that's Big Phillips. All right, smaller.
It almost looks like you're listening to them without any context.
So something different between what you're able to see with the GoPro footage on YouTube and what I'm able to see is the fact that I have a headset in my way. While it is a fairly nice display and it works well for drone racing where you need to see a tree coming, when I'm working on a PC and I'm looking for tiny little details, the fidelity just isn't there. And on top of that, the color inside the headset is a little bit different as well. The blacks, for example, when I look at the case, the shadows are just black. I don't really see any detail. I was feeling confident. I was really feeling confident. But the more I have to do these little things, the more I just wanna not do this video anymore.
I'm just realizing that this is a terrible idea and I don't know why I signed up for this.
Well, you didn't sign up for it. Our sponsor of this video, Micro Center, did.
Thanks to the wonderful sponsor of today's video, Micro Center, I can tell you all about their brand new custom PC build configurator. So all you need to do is go to this link in the description, or it's just easily available on their site, and you can very quickly pick all of the components you need for your own PC build. So you can start out and plug a couple of things in, and it will have a full compatibility guide to tell you what will work, what won't, and on top of that, if you need help, the Micro Center forums are available for you as well. Once you've picked out all of your accessories and peripherals, you also can opt to allow Micro Center to build your PC for you, which for a very reasonable price, they will do all of the installation and get your PC 100% good to go. Regardless of how it's built, they do have a showcase where once your computer is all set, you can show it off to the world, and alternatively, take a look at what everyone else has been building. There's also a PC Build Showcase contest going on. So through the month of July, if you submit your custom build to the showcase, a single winner will be selected to receive a $500 gift card. Now I'm gonna go back to third person and not following any of their wonderful sound advice.
So my first task will be to install the power supply.
Oh, good job.
Dude, my depth perception is terrible. Okay, so it's 1. I almost caught that though. Where's my PCI power? Did I drop it? Oh, I did drop it, didn't I? Oh, look at that. Can't put one over on me. So cable management, not gonna exist in this system.
Well, you don't want to try?
If it powers on, it'll be a miracle. There we go. All right, come on. There we go. Oh my God, this is so hard. Holy f***. This is no longer fun.
Yeah, we've passed the point of this being fun, and now we're just watching you suffer.
I can't believe I have an AIO to install.
You're right there, bud.
I'm fine. I'm closing my eyes now.
Oh, well, I guess that's a way to rest.
This is my break.
Makes sense.
I have 1 screw in the power supply. That's gonna be enough for now. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side. I'm gonna try to build the motherboard. I need to be careful though, because if I sort of ruin the pens on the CPU, I'm gonna be in deep trouble. Which direction is that? Is that Ryzen? Yeah, that's Ryzen up, okay. Yes! 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 I'm the Ryzen master.
That's the first thing that has gone right so far.
Is that lined up? And it feels like it's lined up.
You got it. You got it. Yeah, there you go. 1 more to go.
Oh, that's actually a good angle. I think I got it. Next, where am I gonna install my M2 drive? Under here, I'm assuming, right? You know, it's funny, after the power supply, I was feeling really down and dejected, but now I'm doing the easy stuff. This is much, much simpler. SSD is over here. I'm just gonna rip it open because I'm not using the knife any more than I have to. So I'm gonna just get my head out of the way. There we go, okay. Here we go. This is so dumb. But this is literally the best way to do it because I can actually reach. Okay, so line this up right here. Come on, come on. There you go, there you go. Oh, no. Oh, God. Come on, dude. What am I doing wrong here? It looks like it's going in, but it doesn't feel right. Can you give me some guidance? Am I like, where am I at right now?
I mean, you're kind of there.
What happened?
The standoff is in the wrong spot.
Oh, I did put it in the wrong spot. Oh.
For as much as it's fun seeing Austin suffer, I can only do that for so long. One, I'm kind of running on the clock. I get paid by the hour. But on the flip side of that, Austin's a friend, and sometimes we gotta help our friends, even if it burns us on the inside.
The longer I spend in this headset, the less I think it's cool and the more I just get frustrated. For me, especially as someone who knows how to build a PC, it's incredibly frustrating to spend all this time trying to do some minute little detail and I can't do it, right? This should be so simple, and yet I'm consistently failing, which is making me more frustrated, which that compared with the fact that the third person build, just kind of the longer I wear the headset, the less, like, I don't wanna say nauseous I feel, but I start to feel less and less attached to my body. All of this stuff over time is really, really adding up to a very unhappy Austin.
Ow.
Oh.
There you go. Those ports look pretty good to me. Oh, I'm being defeated. I can't give up. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna do this. Come on. Yeah! Thread it. Thread it. Thread it. Thread it. What the what? Where's even the screw? What? Oh, it fell out! I thought I had it in, and I realized it came back out on the bit. Oh.
Yeah, I think hopefully that'll bite.
Feels like it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes!
Okay.
I
So
got it done. One screw's fine. This headset is legitimately running out of battery, and if I'm gonna be completely honest, if I'm in this headset for much longer, I think I'm gonna have some serious, I think I legitimately need a break. So we're gonna stop, recharge the headset. I'm gonna come at this with a new game plan, and tomorrow I'm gonna finish this build. Now, I'm about to rejoin the real world.
Wow. Oh, dude, that is one of the hardest things I've ever done for a video in my life. Wow, everything's so close. That screen is so bright, my eyes have adjusted, so it actually feels dark. Oh. Yesterday sucked. So today, my plan is twofold. First of all, clear mental state. My second tactic is very simple. Cut all the corners. Today, I'm gonna do the bare minimum, because all I need to do is get this PC to post. If I can do that, I've won.
So actually, where do I install a hard drive on this guy? Oh, that sounded bad. That sounded like a lot of screws just fell out. Wait, hang on, is my motherboard still in place? Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I assume I can put a hard drive in back here. Okay, so how is that attached? Does this screw in somewhere? Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna do one of those things where I'm just gonna close my eyes and do it by feel. Yep, there we go. Okay, got one. So this is definitely a little loose, but it stays, and that's all I care about. All right, let's go. Come on, there you go. There you go. That is horrible.
But dude, this thing is, that's royally not screwed in.
Fine. Use my left hand and push it, push it, push it. Yeah! One thing's plugged in. Who hates doing this in third person? Okay, that's me. Anyway.
So a little tip that I've been doing is closing my eyes. So it's not just about, trying to rest, which is definitely a big part of it, right? I mean, after an hour and a half, 2 hours inside the headset, I'm mentally exhausted. But even beyond that, a lot of times I feel like I can actually install these components and find these screws just by closing my eyes and feeling for them. Like the GoPro almost was lying to me, right? I look at it, I put my finger where I think I am, and I know that I'm actually like a half an inch or an inch off, right? Like that perception of where my visual hand is going is different than where my hand is going in real life. So really pretty frequently throughout this process, I find myself just closing my eyes, recentering, keeping myself from being too frustrated, and ultimately relying on my sense of touch and my sort of analytical brain to think of where things are to actually get things accomplished. Because it's not pleasant, not pleasant.
Power is actually looking pretty good now. So I think it actually may be time for the AIO.
The most complicated aspect of the build really to me feels like it's going to be installing this AIO.
A lot of things can go wrong. He can touch the thermal paste, layout stuff could be wrong. There are 2 fans in that thing. There's at least 8 points of failure already. If one power supply took him 20 minutes, we might be here for an hour.
So if I do it like here, so I do it like this, yeah, like that. Okay, so if this is somewhere like this is like this, right? I think, that cable bend feels bad though. Okay, so now, that looks right. Yeah, there we go. Am I in the right ballpark right now?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
You screw it in and then it'll all lock.
All right, I think we just got a big hurdle for the build taken care of now. Get this AIO tightened down. Next, I need to figure out the fans. I'm gonna say we can go this way. Yeah, that feels about right, huh? Yeah. Okay, I'll just say that's okay for the very moment. All right. Fans are now installed. Now we just need to get that top panel off and get this installed. Does it pop? Well, I feel a rivet here. Do you have any idea how this comes off? Are these screws? No, that is a screw, right? Are these 3 screws or are these 3 rivets? Oh! Thanks, Ken. Whew. Oh. All right. Okay, let's go. No, down, right?
Up.
All right. Oh, man. Oh, my neck's feeling it. That probably wasn't important.
Down. Up. Yep, left.
Wow, is that actually in? Wait, are you trying to tell me that we just installed an AIO? Hey! All right, now let me install the graphics card. This part, cross my fingers, should be pretty easy. Dude, I'm closing my eyes so hard through this. It's crazy how, for a third-person PC build, It's so much easier just to close your eyes. There's nothing holding it back, right? Oh yeah, there. Okay, feels like it's in.
That,
Did I just put it in the wrong slot or something?
This is incredibly painful to watch.
I know.
There are more cables. There.
Thanks for taking pity on me.
Now I give Ken a lot of shit. Most of it I think is completely deserved. But in this particular scenario, he has done me multiple solids. It's rare for Ken to take pity on me, but when those rare opportunities do come up, I would be a fool not to graciously accept his help, as I can't put a screw in a standoff. Also, I want to take the stupid headset off, so I'll take help from if I have to.
That one can't go in the cut.
Just censor that one, it's fine. Everyone will wonder who I'm talking about.
Oh, that's it. Okay, so I think we're almost set. Let's plug this thing in. It's just gonna work. Okay. There we go. Okay, monitor, I'm getting a flashing battery sign on my headset. We don't have another battery, so that means if I don't finish this up, I have to do it totally blind. All right, come on. Keyboard, that feels like a keyboard. Okay, let's go. Run this really quick. It looks like USB. And of course I put it in the wrong way first. Power cables. Plug it in. Dude, this battery light is just getting angry and angry at me. All right, I need an HDMI. Is there any HDMIs here? There's an HDMI down here if I remember. Come on, help me out with an HDMI at least. Fine, I see how it is. I'm gonna make it all the way back. Very dark back here. There's nothing super sharp. Give me a cable. Why do all cables look the same? Okay, that's DisplayPort. DisplayPort, I'll take it. I like how you came over here to pretend to help me, but you didn't actually help me.
Oh no, I'm just here to observe.
Oh, okay. Run this back here. The light is now blinking even more furiously at me. Okay, we're just gonna boot the build like this. Okay. Oh, I can see some things now. Come on, one of these has to boot it. Wait, is it on? Oh, it's on. My fans aren't connected, whatever. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn on my AIO fan. Oh, nothing is, oh God, none of this is plugged in. Whatever, I'll post. Oh no, my headset's dying. It's getting darker. Dude, like really, it's just getting like darker and darker and the fans are going down. It's like the headset's letting me know it's dying.
It's like wasted in Grand Theft Auto.
Oh, I'm dead. I literally can't see. My battery just died.
He died the way he lived.
Did I do it? I mean, I'm done. Like, I either succeeded or I failed right now. There's no turning back. It worked! It worked! It worked! I did it! 1 terabyte hard drive, or 2 terabyte hard drive, 500 gig M2, 2 8 gig sticks of RAM, Ryzen 5 3600, 70 degrees, doing absolutely nothing with 0 fans. I did it! I built a PC in third person! There's so many things that could have, should have, and did go wrong with this build. There's been a lot of videos I've done. There have been a lot of weird challenges and things I've had to do, but very little has felt as rewarding and as promising and as just fulfilling as completing it with literally 0 seconds to spare. I mean, I just can't even wrap my head around that. So is it possible to build a game PC in third person? Yes, it is. Is it possible to go check out our wonderful sponsor, Micro Center, the link in the description, where you can build a PC that's actually properly well done? Yes, it absolutely is. Definitely be sure to go check them out. Thank you to Micro Center for sponsoring this madness, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, and if you excuse me, I'm gonna go fix everything. Like literally everything.